How to change the keyboard transparency on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, we then scroll down and tap on General Management. From here, tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings, then scroll down and tap on Size and Transparency. From here, you can change the transparency of the keyboard. Now, if you do not see the option to change your keyboard transparency, that is because you need to set your keyboard mode to floating keyboard. If it is set to standard keyboard, then it will not allow you to change the transparency, as you can see right here. So we need to select your keyboard mode to floating keyboard, and then you will be able to change the transparency of the keyboard. And then you can drag on the handlebar at the bottom here and move it over the image at the top to preview your keyboard. So here, this is a full transparency, half full transparency, or fully solid keyboard. And that's it. Then tap on done to save the changes. Here I will change the mode back to a standard keyboard. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.